One small update for this engine. When I send it back to USA, I send it with a distributor here. There was also the old spark plugs in place with the wiring, everything, and there was also the bolt and the bracket here, and on the old crankshaft there was a pilot bearing. We received it back without the distributor, without the cables, without the spark plugs, without the pilot bearing. And that time I said that asked them to provide us, to give us, when they send us back the engine, to give us also 2 exhaust manifold gaskets, because it's a little bit difficult here to find exhaust manifold gaskets, believe it or not. Yeah, but it is what it is. Anyhow, that's how we received back the engine. Without the MSD distributor, without the spark plugs, without exhaust manifold gaskets, and without the pilot bearing. Just because on Thursday I just opened it from the box and I didn't even think about the engine, because it was not the time. Now that came the time, yay, nice. Anyhow, that's it. One small update. The only picture that's showing how we send the engine, this is the box, how we send it, and this is the top one before we close the cover, that you can see the distributor next to the hat, right over there. Fortunately, at least we have it on picture, something is that. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.